When you beside the Chris. Even my village people won't make her die.
I know you're wondering why I'm throwing this. Well, just like in films. Wherever this lands is where I'm relocating to.
Even if I could die, if I in that day, don't be so I could die now. Say I buy for 20k. That fake perfume na 18k. Yeah! Where my ATM card? Where my ATM card? Where my ATM card?
Ready, I was born ready.
Shit. What's this bank number now? I am sure you're beginning to wonder how a lady with 165,000 naira wants to travel out. Please let me dream. We are glad to be of response to you. We trust that you must be having a great day. We would love to answer any of your questions and be of any assistance you may require. So as not to waste your time, kindly tell us how is the weather? What? We got a response, right? Very good. I would like to tell you more about our services. Have you heard of our saving plan? Please, can you connect me? Do you still want to remain in this country? To be serviced in English, please press 1. To be serviced in Yoruba, please press 2. To be... Can you imagine? Thank you for selecting. Kindly put in your account number. Thank you. All our contact service providers are currently busy, but your call is very important to us. Please stay on the line. That's if these people they are listening to won't talk for 20 years, 15 minutes. My account balance by then won't let me even die in River Niger.
Thank you for your patience. This complaint has just been passed to my department and I'm running a check on your account. I was just about to say 15,000, but it is as if you just removed it.
That's what I was trying to tell you. I'm not the one.
Take it easy, Ma. Ma, are you saying you're not in Benin?
Benin? Yeah. Please, can you transfer me to your superior, please?
Take it easy, Ma. If you're not the one, I will block the card right now.
Why?
So the person won't be able to use the card again.
Use it for what?
So the person won't be able to access your account.
What is left? Is that not what I've been calling since?
Noticed the network must have been an issue. I would like to confirm if to block the card.
Is this one mad? Just block the card.
Okay, that will be done. We're here to serve you.
Please, can you just send me the money I've lost? Please, can you just send it back?
I'm sorry, but next time, we have a quick code too.
How else can today be? No money, no credit, no nothing. God, what am I going to do now?
I don't understand. Did you use Photoshop or any of those apps?
Don't be funny. Does it look any different from what you've been seeing?
babes. Your boobs. It's everywhere. It's outside.
I don't know what you're talking about, because me, I even thought I did not even pose like this. No, but I said, let me just, they can't do it.
No, you should have removed everything. Show them the whole...
You see why I love you? You are so supportive.
Also, I guess this is the right time to go tell you now. Yeah? So there's this photographer that wants me to influence him, but he'll be taking pictures of me naked. Okay, but don't worry about it. Be calm. He's very good at what he does, so you don't have anything to be worried about. What's this scared look now? You scared for your baby?
No, June. I'm still complaining about this, and then you're telling me that you have something else to do. Naked?
Are you serious? Why are you acting old school like our parents?
I'm old school, oh. I beg. I'm not one of those guys who will just allow his babe to be showing her boobs and ass anyhow outside.
You're not going to kill my own mood, eh? Is it because I even told you?
June, come on.
I've told you, eh? I beg you, don't kill my own mood.
I'm loving the way that your booty moves. Baby girl, we just don't have to groove. Feeling your body the way that you moving, girl, you're my baby. Tell me how you dance, no. Oh yeah, baby, do your dance, cause I'm feeling alright. Oh yeah, baby, do your dance, cause I'm feeling alright. Oh yeah, baby, do your dance, cause I'm feeling alright. Oh yeah, baby, do your dance, cause I'm feeling alright. Hey, I'm loving the way that your booty moves. Move walking on down. I said bend down low. We are taking it slow. We are taking it slow.
Remember I asked how worse can today get? I didn't know I still have more coming. But for now, enjoy the beautiful Lagos, where we stand on the road and hug our body.
Loving the way that your body moves. What do you expect a man to do? You got the turn on man to food. Hey, oh. I wanna feel the way you move. Get the way you flow. I don't take it and it's slow. Feeling the way you flow.
Now me this guy is top for.
Hello.
Thank God, not that chicken voice.
Hello.
And he's fine.
How about you hop in and we spend the night together?
This must be a hit.
You like what you see?
Like? I love what I see.
And he knows what he wants.
Okay.
Hop in. I got you.
Down.
Okay.
Men are moved by what they see.
What?
Nothing.
Anyways, we'll be home soon. It's just around the corner.
Fly down.
All right.
Look, all I'm saying is you don't need to be naked to influence any brand.
You see it as being naked. I see it as art. It's just art. I don't even understand. What's the big deal?
You know what? Okay.
You're just saying okay. So I'm talking too much now, eh? If you don't want to support my dreams, now is the time for you to tell me.
You know that's not what I mean.
So you support my dreams?
Would you at least let me think on it?
You can think about it. Just don't take too much time, because it's not like we've been dating for that long anyway.
Really?
You know I like honesty. Honesty is key.
But this isn't about honesty.
Is it not one of my slay queen pictures on Instagram that made you enter my DM?
You know what? June, let's not argue tonight, okay?
I don't see this as an argument. We're just having a conversation.
Yes. I'll call you later, okay?
Alright, fine.
Do you want to have a shower?
No, I don't want to have a shower. I want to have you.
Hey, beautiful. Are you okay? Hey, is everything okay?
Shit. What happened?
Okay, this is about the money, right? I'll settle you. Yeah. There you go. That's $200. And it's real. Those are real Benjamins.
Do you think I'm a prostitute?
Well, that's not enough. Fine. There you go. 300. That should be my friend at the door. But don't move. I'll be right back.
Oh, Sandra, what have you done? Ah! Shit. Hello?
Hey, boo. How are you?
I'm okay.
Okay, I was just worried after yesterday. You didn't call back at night.
Oh, yeah.
How did your night go? You must have had a swell night.
Great. Babe, please can I call you back? I really need to rush. Can I just call you back 1 minute, please?
Okay.
All right, baby. Bye. Oh, God. Of course, I would take the cash. What are you thinking?
Hey, my G.
My G, what's happening, man?
Good, I'm good. Guys, it's been a while, though.
I did tell you, man. First of all, let me just apologize for dragging you out of your house this early.
Which kind of talk we don't now?
True now. Let's say you be big man.
My guy, look, anything for you. I mean,
Yeah.
If you need anything, just let me know, okay?
Come on. This Lagos is crazy, man. I promise you. Like, I actually forgot what living in Lagos was like.
Guy.
I did tell you, but last night, everything just came back rushing into my brain, dude.
What do you mean? What happened?
So last night,
Yeah.
I went by the red light district and I picked up this Ashi. Mad babe, dude. This girl rocked my world. I promise you, I have to keep this girl on retainer.
Hey.
I did tell you.
No, wait. Did you use protection? Did you use protection?
Guy, chill, Joe. I started off using it, but man, this girl's coochie was so lit. I promise you, but you know me now, I'm a king of pull-out game. So,
You said you king of pull.
hey,
I know.
that was quick. This is Fola, my friend.
What?
You thought it won't get worse, right? Meet my boyfriend, Fola.
What?
Guy, behave now. How would you respond to my guest like that?
I called you.
And you said, wait. Talking about when we were talking earlier on, that you said the girl. Is there another lady in this house?
No, this is the babe. I'm sorry, what's your name again? I'm bad with names.
Sandra.
Will you shut up?
Oh, wow. Okay, this is really weird. What's going on?
Sorry, Tokubo, you need to take me back a bit. How did you guys meet again?
Okay.
I think we should leave now.
Would you just stand there and let him talk? Yes, Tokubo?
Dude, I told you now, I was driving by, you know where, right? And I saw her and I picked her up. Okay, look, if she's on your retainer too, it's fine. I paid her a lot of money.
Tokubo, she's my girlfriend.
Oh, shit. Dude. What were you doing there?
I never told you I was a hooker.
No, I'm sorry. Did you take the money?
It was at this point I knew.
I can't believe this.
You know the rest.
Guy, I had no idea. Okay, I'm really sorry about this, but... Are you really not a hooker?
What did you think? And I'm taking the money.
Zig and zag is how the story's told. Pains and gains is how we know. Mysteries would yet unfold. Make sure that you don't tumble. Yin and yang is how the story goes. Pains and gains is how we grow. Mysteries would yet unfold. It's all a part of the hustle. Many places, I've seen many faces. Don't be deceived by all the glow. They feel that everything they post.
Whoever said alcohol na bastard must have really suffered in the hands of alcohol. You're beginning to wonder, why didn't I run after my boyfriend? Well, fact is, what would I tell him? Sorry? I mean, we all say sorry like it would take away what we have done, especially when we enjoyed the act. Shit. Sandra, you have successfully messed everything up again. Though it wasn't my fault. I mean, Shit!
How the story goes. Pains and gains, that's how we grow. Mysteries we yet unfold. It's all a part of the hustle. Zig and zag is how the story's told. Pains and gains is how we know. Mysteries we yet
I know say one day I could definitely buy my car. Make I first shut down Instagram. I have just 500 followers. Who cares?
You say my body hot like a fire. Say make I put it down low. You say I'm the baddest.
I'm so sorry, sir. I didn't mean to.
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm so sorry, sir.
I was just in here having a good laugh. I said, look at this fine girl.
I'm so sorry, sir.
No, it's okay. Hold on. Is it not pictures? Don't worry. We'll take a lot of pictures, okay? Let me help you. No, it's fine. It's okay. Give me your phone. Let me help you. Come on. Give me. Okay, come this way. Come on. Come on. I'll take the pictures for you. Nice and easy, all right?
Put it on you. Be like the way me put it on you, yeah. Put it on you. Be like the way me put it on you, yeah. You like the way me do the dirty one. You like the way me put it on you. Be like the way me put the thing on you.
Okay, very good. It's okay. It's all right. No, that's fine. How are you?
I'm fine.
Look, let me give you some more reason to thank me, okay? Come this way. Come, put your account details here. Okay? Come on, go ahead. Why? Are you shy?
Sir, thank you, sir.
Come on, don't refuse me. I'm for real. Give me your account details. Let me appreciate the beauty that I see. Huh? No, great stuff. In fact, seeing you alone, you are someone that you should be properly taken care of. It's been a while. I saw a beautiful face like this in Lagos.
Thank you, sir.
And I will let you know you've met someone today. Oh, as a matter of fact, why don't I take you out for dinner?
I have a boyfriend.
You ladies of nowadays, huh? What has having a boyfriend got to do with dinner? Did he say you should not eat?
I'm not sure he would approve of that, sir.
Oh, please. Please. Okay. Why don't we do it this way? I'll make it an open space so that everyone can see, and I believe you will be more comfortable with that.
Okay, sir.
Great stuff. Okay, let me send Sandra. That's your name, I see it here.
Yes, sir.
Sandra Okiti. Is that the pronunciation?
Yes, sir.
Ah, good. Great stuff. Okay, I just sent you 400,000.
Thank you.
Oh, no, don't do that, please.
Thank you very much, sir.
It's okay, it's all right. So, can I have your number?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, okay. You know why I did that? You know you ladies can be funny. You could have as well put a wrong number there. But seeing you, I know you're a good guy.
Thank you, sir.
Huh?
Thank you, sir.
It's all right. Okay, so I'll call you.
Okay, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. All right.
I've seen many faces. Don't be deceived by all the glow. They feel that everything the post. I've been many places. I've seen many faces. Don't be deceived by all the glow. They feel that everything the post. Men are in sizes and life is a faces. Be sure to take it steady slow. You cannot count on what it shows. You can't count on us. They claim they